Alright, here we come to the elevator at the Southside garage at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. It's an Otis with older Series 1. Very reddish. Kone door sensor, number 4. Fan's loud so you can't hear the motor. Installed in 1982. I don't think the indicator works. 1. It's your basic parking garage elevator. Fan is loud. Look up in the ceiling. Who do you see? High. These are your fixtures. They're older Series 1. There's your non-ADA phone. Barely works. That beeper sounds like the traditional Dovers at the Roosevelt Field. The door sensor beep. Alright, there it goes, and that's it.